Want to enable gaming mode on your Galaxy Buds 4 Pro to reduce audio delay and make games feel more responsive? Don't worry, here's how to turn it on and fix audio lag. First, make sure your buds are connected. If you're using a Samsung phone, you can access the settings directly. If not, open the Galaxy Wearable app. Now, scroll down and tap Advanced Features. Then, open Labs. Here, turn on Gaming Mode. That's the key setting. It reduces audio delay, so sound stays in sync with your gameplay. Now, for even better results, go back and open Sound Quality and Effects. Then go to Advanced Audio Options and turn off any high-quality audio enhancements. This helps reduce processing time and gives you the lowest possible delay. And that's it. Your Galaxy Buds 4 Pro should now feel much more responsive while gaming.